Now the air's starting to feel like a city. This is the air I'm used to. Yeah, you know what you breathe that in? That's how it smells all the time. I'm following this one across so I can get the full range of it. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a massive one, that.
Yeah. That was held together with bungee cords.
I just place my phone down here. There we go. I've got.
Say hi.
Oh hi. Who's you calling? Are you calling me now?
Yeah.
Are you FaceTime someone?
No, just a video.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've got the camera set up on the road there now, so.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'll just catch them all now.
Yeah.
Me? Yeah. No, it's fine. I'm just standing up taking video now. There is a seat like there and there. It's fine. I was comfy on there. I'm just standing up.
It's also the back of a van, so it's all seat, really. Yeah. Well, if your dad offered us a seat out there, I'll sit on the floor. I mean, there's a seat there.
Yeah.
Although it's currently balancing my phone.
No. Everyone's like, Leah, do you want a seat?
I don't sit.
She wants to be the same height as everyone else.
Yeah, she does.
Oh, my foot's going dead.
How did Christine describe Robert?
Just as very talkative and open with people. So, quite nice compared to people like you, maybe.
Describe him that badly.
Describe him as your dad. But I'm not exaggerating it. I have messages. I have messages. Right there. So, it says Benji's basically.
Oh no, there's still about 80 more. Yeah.
I said that Benji was like dad, but like he like takes dad things more seriously.
So I think your dad got worse was the exact word that you
No,
used.
I didn't.
You think you said but worse. Well,
I didn't say
you
worse.
said
I didn't say worse.
you said but worse.
No, I didn't. I never said worse. Because it's not.
In that sense.
Coming over to the Medji heaven,
We
eh?
can look it up in the message and see if I ever said that.
You'd be on camera, you know, you want to have a call in the
Oh,
thing.
right, okay. I'll sit in front of the back.
Well, you can be in there if you want.
That was a good deal.
I
I don't know how you can sit there, it must be so uncomfortable.
It
Must be so uncomfortable sitting there.
That's alright. I'm just using the seat to balance the phone. was saying to everyone that
What?
I was saying to everyone that this is exactly how the city air feels all the time.
All right.
Is
yeah.
it?
That smell.
Yeah.
Make you feel at home.
Yeah. I'm very used to it. But like for you, if I get it anyway.
Everyone just takes their tractor and gathers in the same spot. I like the yellow.
Because we saw like 3 houses in like an hour. So like where do they all, how far do they drive?
What to view of it?
Robert, where do they all come from?
How long should I wait here? Because I don't want to stuff them up.
Wait a while longer.
Yeah, okay. So it's gone through.
There's more English people here than there is in England.
Eh?
There's more English people here than there is in England.
Yeah.
Well, I know I am one, I suppose, in some ways.
Doesn't feel like you are. We put you in a camper van and make you drive up the road, then yeah.
Yeah. I can't drive, so crash it.
Then you'd really be a tourist.
Yeah. Well, that road especially.
I hope it's made it. All the way around.
There'll be more. There'll be more, won't there? Yeah, because I don't think 72's passed. Maybe. Aye. Because there's certain people I expected to see. I haven't seen them yet. Aye, I saw John. Yeah, and his wee. That was a great wee
They
tractor.
said there's
that.
going to be 101 tractors.
101 now.
Yeah.
Is your tractor in, Robert?
Should be in it, yeah. Yeah, I should get it next
Here they come. I'm hearing another load of them.
Maybe last year there was about 40 or 50, wasn't it?
Well,
there's
Derek
some
said
that
there were more.
invariably drop off because they break down or something.
I think like Angus Deal got a burst tyre.
Right. Yeah. You from Kilkeen Bay?
No. One drives a bus.
Oh, Matthew.
Oh, Matthew. Matthew Buck. Yeah. Right, right. Yeah.
So how often do these tractors happen then?
Once a year.
Once a year.
Yeah. So you came at the right
I
time.
know.
Yeah.
I missed it this morning.
Or we're going back because the Great North Runs are that. I'm going back at the wrong time.
Yeah, she was on that hard. Yeah.
She's having a great time.
Yeah, she was.
There was a motorbike stuck in the middle of it. I know they're like shaking their head like, what have we gotten into?
People have been trying to overtake tractors for like hours.
Look, I didn't come up today then, because getting up here would be a bit of a nightmare.
Yeah. Speaking through the tractor.
Especially yours, yeah. We install the car and everything. only count.
Green because of the sun. What?
They only count on the
No.
field.
No. I've got a video of them before the road and stuff.
Oh,
You can't hear that.
how long did you say you said? Oh, right. I've got 11 and a half. It's like a long.
Like a penguin.
Your one passed yet, Robert?
What?
Is your one passed?
What?
Your tractor, is it passed?
It's not got past yet. It might be the only day we run on this one.
Yeah.
You were going to be on the one originally, weren't you?
What?
You were originally going to do the one.
I was, but the tractor I was going to use the radiator. You know, the tractor that we were waiting for, I was going to, me and Kenny wanted to buy it, but he was waiting for a tractor on it. So he's using it for a tractor and I'm buying it for a
Oh.
I'll keep it nice and cool from the wind, sun. the wind.
The Scottish weather was not as normally described.
No.
It's it's normally terrible apparently, but it's been like really warm, which is not what I expect from Scotland.
No. Best weather. Must be at least.
Stragglers coming along now.
Somebody should have kept track. Should have counted them as a team.
I heard there was I heard there was 101 this morning registered. Right.
Really good at you.
But I think it's probably gone up just the last minute. Aye.
I thought it was come back.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. They've been
It's like a
stockpiling
loop
in
that
November.
they drive around.
Tractors.
Mhm.
Yeah.
40 miles or something. How long's the loop?
Yeah, it's like 40,
The loop?
50 miles.
Yeah, the loop is right.
Right.
So
It's like
we
48
go
miles. I think.
Lochhammer and then round.
Okay.
It's just a big loop.
So they won't be coming all the way from Ullapool or anything like that.
No.
No.
No, okay.
Well, they might have brought tractors from there, but they're not
That's not part of the loop.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not part of it. How far do people bring the tractors from?
Some people come from the east.
I'm sure some people will.
Yeah, well, like, see those really big tractor land pass and stuff? Some of them just come from,
Wherever.
like, he goes to, like, all the shows and stuff.
Right.
So some of them just go around the country doing tractor
Yeah.
runs and things.
I like that yellow one. It's all painted yellow, all really nice.
The 35 that was yellow,
I
There
think
were
it was,
two.
yeah.
that they were an industrial 35 I heard.
Right.
Like for building sites and stuff.
Yeah.
That huge orange one was weird.
What, the one with the funny roof rack on it? No, funny cab.
It made me
Yeah.
feel like it
Literally
looked like a boat. It gave me boat
Yeah,
vibes.
it was like weird.
Yeah.
It looked like old.
I haven't seen Craig from Scourie yet. He usually comes in his big blue tractors. Aye. I think they must have split them up into groups of 20 or something.
So how long's like the longer delays? Because you said it's a loop, so I assume that they don't like just completely stay. Like there won't be one like 50 miles back or whatever, like 40 miles back.
No.
That's like okay. Yeah. So you don't like go like have a few and then wait an hour and a half and then there'll be a couple more come.
I think they're basically bringing them all.
We all stop and go into Drumbeck for a pint.
I know. That's
Yeah. Oh, it's waiting for somebody.
Got a tick on your neck.
I have a tick on my neck. What should I do? Flap it?
Right,
I don't think it's bitten you yet. No, it's not. It's crawling.
right.
Should I just knock it out?
No, get Christine to pick it off.
Right,
There you go.
Show him it. Watch out, because they jump. Even though they say they don't jump, I've seen
Gonna
them.
bite you.
Let me see it.
It's one of the bigger black ones.
Oh yeah, that's a deer trick, I think. Is it? No, it's
Deer
not.
ones are
Show the
red.
camera. You can show the camera.
Right, yeah.
Right. Oh, he doesn't want to. Where's the camera?
yeah.
Can they see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Yes, yeah.
They'll do that like that. Put it on
Ow.
TV.
So they show it being killed on the camera?
Yeah, you can kill it if you want.
Okay.
Just have to lean a little bit over. There you go. Yeah.
Right, here's death of the
I saw
tick.
them
See?
The other day, I was thinking what they were doing.
Did you see that?
They must
He's
Yeah.
dead now.
Good.
Better dead than in your head.
exactly,
Place
yeah.
to bite.
If there are a lot around them this time of year.
There's usually more. Sometimes there's
The Drumbeck Hall.
like hundreds of them. You can get like maybe 50 on you. Usually small. Usually really, really small one.
Does it affect you doing anything? Does it infect you or?
Yeah, you can get a horrible disease, which I've got, I think, from them.
Lyme's disease.
Lyme's disease.
Not always, though.
Just makes you ill.
Most of them don't.
It just makes.
There's more coming.
Oh, wait. No, it's alright, mate. No stress at all. It's lovely.
Have a seat if you want.
Oh, mate, it's gorgeous. Does anyone have a cup and want a coffee?
No, thank you. I just
Oh,
had.
you're right. I've got coffee and there's not many cups.
You're from England,
Nah, mate, I'm from Australia.
Australia. Ah,
We've
okay.
got
an Australian Kelpie.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Gorgeous dogs.
Yeah.
We're taking over the English in the Australian to go take over this area.
Are they?
We are I'm English, so
Hey, where are you actually from, mate?
Newcastle.
Oh, yeah, my man's born in Newcastle originally.
Yeah.
Mate, it's gorgeous around here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Lot more clean air when the tractors are driving by. When the tractors are driving by, the air's really clean.
Just once a year, mate.
quite old, 40. Yeah. Hope you're retired at last. Depends apparently.
But it's not unusual for like them to drive.
Well, young kids.
Yeah.
Because
It's not
it's
like-
so far out.
Yeah, it's not really like a big deal. But maybe driving on the road there's probably.
But doing the track will be probably fine.
Yeah, could be. But just disguising as a bit older.
Yeah.
I think that was my favourite tractor. That
That
was
looks like almost a lorry.
yeah, really nice.
I like the
tractor.
large blue one.
The large blue one, yeah. There's
Yeah.
some really big blue ones going around.
I don't like the blue ones. I like the yellow one.
I like that Mercedes. Never seen a tractor like that.
Is that all the smoke stuff that it's on?
Didn't even know Mercedes did tractor.
No, you guys aren't used to it, are you?
Sorry?
You guys aren't used to all the exhaust fumes and stuff. Yeah.
Our yearly dose of fumes.
Yeah. This is about what you get in about 3 minutes in the city, yeah.
I'm surprised they've not got that, banning diesel cars in Newcastle.
Well, we've got here what they call it. I'm not calling that a tractor. All that.
Yes.
Yeah, they've got something called a congestion charge in England now, where basically it charges you to go through certain tunnels and things if you've got like a heavy diesel or petrol car. So that's what I was telling you about, Christine.
You can just sit here all day and just wave to people and
congestion.
see all the different
The
reactions.
congestion charge they've
Oh,
got.
sorry, yes,
So basically they'll charge you like if you got like a heavy petrol or diesel car or something, they'll charge you a congestion charge.
How much?
Some of them can be ridiculous, but like £15.
I think it's 400 if you go through a city in Scotland, like Edinburgh or something.
Yeah, I
and
was
you
trying to
go
explain to
through.
Christine.
It's a fine more like.
She was on about driving a van up to see me at some point. I said it'd be better off taking the train because all the congestion charges, like my dad pointed out, would probably be more expensive than the actual train.
Right.
So
And the fuel.
I don't know how many congestion charges there'll be between here and Newcastle, but it's about 650 miles, so I imagine there'll be quite a few.
Yeah. You're still getting a good view of everything.
Still
yeah.
get a good video, yeah.
Why?
4K camera.
Here comes another one.
Got this phone particularly for its camera, so because I like movies and things, so I record stuff.
It's got a good camera.
I think that might be the end.
I'll show you some of
No, I
them.
don't think so.
There's usually
have a
flags
big-
at the end.
Yeah, there's usually
There's usually an
people
end.
who've broken down and then they get going again and
It's probably they've
I think
done a
there'll be another
bit for people to get through.
I think there'll be one more stint
yeah,
if it was 100.
yeah. I think 100 is one.
No. Although if there's nobody that I'm thinking we haven't seen. You know, I've seen everyone that I was like.
Yeah,
you've seen
same.
your car and everything. So your tractor and Andy and Craig, they hadn't been through.
Right.
They have?
I know they have now, but they hadn't until that last bit, you know. So maybe it is finished. I don't know.
Maybe wait a few more minutes to find out.
Derek's still there. You're expecting more, Derek?
The last one.
There's a motorbike, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if they finish them, you reckon?
Yeah. We'll just stop them. Put a wire up across the road.
Dad! Tripwire.
So might have go boom. Now you're not fun, isn't
Yeah, the bridge, that'd be a good spot to walk.
I'm not gonna be able to walk after this. My leg go dead.
Yeah.
You can deal with the grass terrain a lot better though. Well, maybe go somewhere where we can walk through a lot of that.
Yeah.
Might go back to yours, Robert, and see if I can walk a lot better there now. Because I walk through Benji's garden. Alright. I call it a farm because it's basically a farm.
What did you think? Did you eat?
I love it, yeah. He's a lot more hygienic than you. He washes his carrots.
I think it's good to consume some of the earth as well.
Yeah, I did confuse him,
It's a bit
yeah.
of texture enough.
Yeah.
Drip.
Yeah, I had a carrot. I had some of them Japanese thing I think.
Wineberry.
What's it?
Japanese wineberry.
Wineberry, yeah, Japanese wineberry, and I had a bit of cucumber, which I put in the fridge for later, for getting full. And what was the other thing? There was something else. Was it peas? Yeah, the peas. Yeah. Which I don't normally like peas or carrots, but when they're from like the earth, it tastes a lot better.
Yeah,
The more
peas
natural.
especially. Peas are horrible.
The mushy peas that you get in Tesco are awful. Or like the floppy carrots.
They taste mouldy.
They do, yeah.
What's your favourite food?
Favourite food.
Yeah.
I love like mint and dumplings, like it's like a tea.
Yeah.
Dumplings, yeah.
Dumplings.
Yeah, dumplings. I want to try gyoza, which is a Japanese dumpling. But I haven't been able to get
Are they like in a packet?
Yeah, it'll be a packet, but like it's in Japan they make them naturally. So I want to go to Japan, so I want to
Yeah.
be nice.
Are they like little dough lumps of dough?
Yeah. It's like dumplings,
They've got a
gyoza.
filling. Do you have a filling in it?
Yeah, there's a filling of like, I don't know what exactly it is, but it's quite nice.
It's funny because I once saw them in a shop and I didn't know what they were. Because to me a dumpling is like a raisin and fruit kind of
Yeah.
cake thing
Boiled cake.
that matures over a few months and you eat it.
I was chewed over a couple of hours and then if that, I did that and just like mince and chips, you know, Yorkshire pudding.
Oh yeah, it's very good.
I'm hearing talking.
There's motorbikes there.
Yeah, they were
We
taking
are
off.
talking.
I mean, far away talking.
I also held the hen
Yeah.
and the chick,
Yeah.
but it was scary holding the chick because it was like it was all over. I couldn't hold it still. But the hen wasn't so bad because it was bigger. I think you could kind of hold it.
That was a cockerel. A boy.
Or a
Aye,
couple.
Yeah.
there was definitely not 101 there.
He was called Ramsey.
Now we can look back on the video and see. I mean, it's about it's a 30-minute video. I think is that over now? You reckon?
What?
The
I don't know. I did it.
No idea. I think there's probably more.
I think probably it's
I
best to
videoed
stop
them
it.
all, but I
just
didn't
then.
do like one massive.
I just let it roll. I can edit it down
Let's
later.
stop and stop when
I'll
they
edit
go.
it down later on my PC or something. I've got to go to the toilet while I wait. No, let me think. I have to capture it in the video. Right, my legs went dead, so I'm actually trying to.
There you go, mate. Wait. That's the dog, mate. There you go.
Look at that.
Not yet, mate.
The shit I'm gonna want, I missed the dog. We're Australian.
You should go to your auto and see if he becomes like
Yeah,
a normal dog.
well, he's got a dog, so it's like.
Imagine if
Going
auto
to,
became like a normal dog too.
That'd be hilarious. Maybe I should get off
Just on the
him.
way to
Okay.
where that bridge is. Do a little boat tour. Yeah, that's the place, mate. That's the place.
I'm gonna fall or jump down. I think it's dead.
I think people have probably broken down. There's probably a lot of people broken down.
Oh. That's just a car. You have to watch out at this end because
That's our camp. I think that must be the end of them.
Yeah, might be, mate.
We might get some stragglers coming along.
She's got any eggs?
No.
I don't
No.
think so.
No.
Do we?
Sold out?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Yeah, that's the proper Australian cattle dog there.
Yep.
He's got his gangster gold chain on as well.
What's he like about the dogs?
I don't want to bring him down just in case he's a bit. Sometimes he can be a bit funny. Is it a girl or a boy?
He's a boy. He's
Yeah.
got his balls. Yeah.
Better not put him down.
Hello. You're sick. You're gorgeous.
Yeah, good boy.
Yeah, he's a prop. Hey, no bite.
I've got one.
He's a prop.
I
Kelpie's there. Hey,
don't know. Andy's got like.
I had a
5.
Kelpie growing up.
Yeah?
But I'm 5 and I'm looking after one
Alright,
for
you're
6.
a proper Kelpie. Go on.
So I still don't get as a family. 8.
Alright, Otto, come. Otto, come.
Oh, yes.
Otto, come. Otto, come here. Otto.
He's like, I want to stay
Otto,
here.
come. Come. I know everyone's here. Good boy. Here. Come. Come. Sit. Good lad. Stay. Good. Good boy. Wait. I'm going to put you on the lead. Lee, could you hold him while I get his lead?
Yes, Otto, come.
Just so he doesn't. I don't want him to go up.
Marianne.
Maria.
Yeah, I was
Maria.
going down with her. Or my mum and neck face did the taste. She said to me, she said, how do you find the road? I said, the road's unbelievable.
Is it good to drive on or bad?
What's that?
Is it good or bad to drive on?
Ah, good. Amazing. Back home in the country, you need a full drive.
Yeah.
Look at that. Come. Come on, Phil. Come. Good boy. Here. In. Now. Okay.
Oil. Yeah, what are you doing now?
Look at all that oil.
Lie down. There you go. Lie down.
She's like, yeah.
Stand at the door, so I boom that.
Yeah.
Pull out, that close, pull out.
Get up. Ready? Good job. Yeah, I think the tractor runs done now.
Done.
Yeah. Finished.
All over and done.
Yeah,
Right, and this
yeah.
part of the door.
Yes, sit.
We'll make it into a movie, Christine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We part of that movie that you're recording.
Although there was some language at the start of the van, so I don't know.
Yeah, stop.
Because I was still trying. I was trying my best to,
Yeah.
So maybe edit it down.
Or just bleep.
You don't bleep movies. It's not a movie. It's not a TV show. There we go.